Pa mor dda mae'r ddau esgellwr Cymru yma nabod ei gilydd? Bwyta mwyaf.
After a team like lunch. Yeah, use a lot, man. So much.
Dawnsiwr gora?
Yeah, he knows as well. Class dancer.
Pwdi ar ôl gêm.
He's a sulker, man. It's got to be him.
Mwyaf golygus.
Easy one, that. Easy. He meant that way.
I might as well rip this one off.
Dangos ei hun efo triciau.
Wow.
I'd say
He's got skills and
he's got skills as well, but he doesn't actually use them.
Showboat.
Lleia ffasiynol.
At least. Nah, he's got good gear, to be fair. I'll give him that.
Traed drewllyd.
Smelliest feet.
Methu taclo.
Ah, definitely him. Definitely him.
He's never done that.
Y chwaraewr gora.
Oh. We're both humble guys, you know, we can't...